Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for the month of August for Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising. First of all, I'm extremely sorry that I'm too late on this. Secondly, this is a Celtic cross. I have shuffled and drawn cards for you to save time. Apart from that, I have two other decks over here with the regular Rider-Waite Tarot deck. This is Moonology Oracle deck, and this is Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards. These decks I'm using these decks I'm using to get more clarity upon the situation. So something has been ended in Pisces people's life. You are coming out from this depression. You are able to finally see that something positive is there, though the situation is very critical and very hard, boring for you, and you are really struggling very hard, and you are fighting for yourself. You are not listening what other people are saying. You are standing on your own ground. On one hand you are fighting for yourself, and on the other hand you have stopped fighting for this relationship, for this connection, which is going to be end in this month, or maybe already ended in the previous month. Someone who is there already in your life, and you have had a very good relationship initially with them. Maybe it is a family committed relationship, but finally the situation has been revealed in front of you, and you came to know that person might be a flirt, or maybe due to the distance between you and them, you guys are not able to remain committed to each other. On one hand there is a possibility of having some sort of depressing ending, and on the other hand you simply closed off yourself, and in your mind you are not allowing anyone to come towards you, especially your person. You are not allowing them that they can come towards you. Whatever offer they are giving you, or they are trying to give you, you are simply refusing that. You are no more interested to remain in this family dynamics. I feel in your mind you are thinking that love has been over for you. There is no more love in the situation, so there is no point to stay over here. And if I show you the oracle cards, the first card I have over here is completion. For you, the situation is already done. You have worked a lot, and you really put your maximum effort, but now at this point you have decided, or you understood this thing, that situation has been completely over. Whatever love was there, how much work you have done for this, how much weight and expectation was there, but I feel one of you, may most probably not the Pisces but the other person you are dealing with, most probably they have done something which is painful for you. Can be some sort of cheating in some shape or form, and that is why whatever they are offering you, you are not ready to accept that. I feel it will take a little more time for you to come out from this situation. Maybe this defeat, basically this is in your mind that you have lost everything. So this defeat will take some time to overcome. The whole emotional emotional side of this defeat is very painful for you, and it will take time to heal. Maybe whatever decision you have made other people are not willing to do so, or maybe they are not cooperating with you, or maybe they are not willing to work along you. Maybe you will listen lot of criticism from the people around you. It can be your family members, your friends, acquaintances, anyone. But whatever the situation was, it is over, as I have told you earlier. Now what you should do, you really need to held your head high, wear your confidence, and you really need to take that path which you have already decided in your heart. You really need to move like a lion. I have new moon in Leo. You should bring out your maximum courage that is there already in your inside you, and use that courage and walk confidently in all these restrictions, in all these oppositions, in all these whatever negativity you are facing from the people around you. So work on this thing, and whatever decision you have made, if you are not willing to accept that person again, this is solely up to you, and if you have decided this, then stick on with this decision. So this was the reading for Pisces Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.